Note y equal to sin x. So differentiation of sin x is cos x. This is the rule. If you differentiate sin x, then that will be the cos x. So this is the rule. You must remember this rule. So keeping this rule in mind, we will proceed for the next question, that is y equal to sin 5x. So what will be its differentiation? Definitely 5 into cos 5x. Where if you differentiate sin 5x, then that will be cos 5x. Cos 5x into ddx of 5x. And ddx of 5x. ddx of 5x. That will give 5. Note that is 5 cos 5x, that is 1. Note here you can also write the ddx of sin x is cos x, so you can write ddx of x, that is 1. So here is in place of x, here is 5x, so we have write ddx of 5x. Similarly, we will proceed for the third question. This is the see this way. So you can also proceed the question like this, but proceeding like this you will get the long time. Means firstly you will put that this 5x is t, and then you will differentiate, then again you will put the t equal to 5x, so that will take time. So do directly like this. This is shortcut way. Here you are also doing the same things, means you are assuming mentally that is a t, and assuming mentally that this is t, and you are proceeding, but here you are doing that things in a written form. That is the only difference. So both are the same, but the things that you have assumed mentally, you are doing that in written form. So that is the only difference. So for better you just proceed this. As for time saving is concerned, so now moving to the third question, 5 sin 5x. We will take 5 outside. So because it is a constant, so taking 5 outside, so ddx of sin 5x, that will be 5 into cos 5x, and ddx of 5x, so that will be 5. So 25, 5 into 5 cos 5x into 5. Now you no need to write every time ddx of x, because it is understood that the value is 1. So now you have got the better practice, so you can just leave that. So 25 cos 5x is the final answer. 25 cos 5x. This is answer, this is answer, and this is answer too. Now moving to the next question. Let 5x is t, that I have told you in just earlier. So here is the alternative method, not just this question was done previously solved, means this question was previously solved, but here is alternative method. But previous solve method is better than this method, because this is time consuming method. You have to assume many time, means let you this, then you will differentiate like this, then you will again put t equal to 5px, so this will take time. So previous method is good because that is time saving method, and this is time consuming method. So according to the time factor, previous method is good. That's all about the you are saying the study RSL study material. See the more video and increase your knowledge. That's all. Thanks.